Hi, my name is Norhaina Ayan. Is global trading beneficial or not? What deterres other countries to participate in global trading? Is global trading really necessary that no country can isolate itself from others? Global trading comes to the subject globalization, for which we all know industrialization comes within. In many forums have been done, whether it be many years ago or just recently, global trading appeared to be unfair and promotes inequality, which opposes the definition of it. To combat global poverty, it is true that global trading helps lift the economic status of a country, whether it be the developing ones or the advanced countries already. Factors why countries cling onto this global trading are its capability for growth and development. For instance, cross-border value chain give emphasis to what a certain country can offer, by which they are good at, in an international platform to sell it in many markets, hence that country's development. They do not rely at times in good produces within the national border but expands globally. In the side of consumers, they feel the less expense brought by such globally traded goods. Also, whatever border procedures are there, small trade rises up. How much more are the heavier ones? With this, countries who practices global trading felt no competition because the higher the import cost, the lesser the competitors export. I believe global trading is beneficial for advanced and developing countries, but it also results to leaving the poor countries stagnant of their poor state. I am no economist to conclude, but by definition and by what we have learned in our years of studying globalization, we all know that it only cites the advantageous ones, but never the areas left behind. Is it beneficial? Yes. Is it necessary? In terms of economic growth, affirmative but isn't good for the poorest one. But should we give up on global trading? No, because global trading again, by definition, also combats global poverty. Only if it has a good system, depending on the countries practicing it, whether it be solely or collaboratively. Global trading is far from its perfect state, but if it is developed and improved, every country will rise. One point, if we leave it like this and run away, it will become more devastating than it is now. So instead, it should be improved and developed.